Today I'm going to show you how to create single word captions, and I'm also going to give you 20 free text styles and show you how you can animate these. First, make sure you're on version 26.3 because this is when Premiere introduced this feature. Now open up a video that you want to add captions to and then go to the text window. If you don't see that, go to Window and enable text. Under transcript, if you don't see anything here, make sure you click transcribe sequence, and then you'll see all the text right here, play as you go. All you have to do is click CC at the top, which is create captions. And then in here, you're going to see single line, double line, and now a new thing, single word. As soon as you click that and create captions, you're going to see that we have a subtitle track at the top that actually created those captions for us, but it doesn't really look good and it's just kind of at the bottom. So what we're going to do is highlight all of those. You'll be able to see that you can adjust the fonts and the font size and the placement and stuff like that. You guys can click the link in the description down below and download my 20 free text styles. These are all viral captions, and this is totally free. So click that link and get these downloaded. I like the look of that, so I'm going to keep that at that. I'm going to just put it in the center, and that's kind of how you create the single word captions. I'm going to do one example, and then I'm going to show you how we animate these. In the text window, I can see the transcript right here. Just click CC at the top, or you can go to the captions window and create captions from transcript. Make sure single word is selected, create those captions. I'm going to highlight all of these so I can manipulate them. And I'm going to click the open style browser because now that you have all 20 free styles, you can kind of just click through here and pick the style that you like. For this one, let's go for like some digital style. And then I'm going to adjust the font size and let's put this in the middle. And then I'm going to highlight all of those captions, go to Captions and Graphics and select Upgrade Caption to Graphic. What that's going to do is allow us to actually manipulate this caption right here. So all you're going to do is kind of fill the gaps if there are any, because I don't like gaps. And then we can highlight all of our captions right here. And then you can highlight all your text files right here. And this is where the magic happens. Click the link in the description down below if you're interested, but I have a seamless subtitles preset pack that has over 125 transitions right here and some of my favorite combos. What it will do, it will automatically animate all of your captions for you. And here's combo 3. Try combo 4. And if you want to add more effects, there's a ton of different effects in here. Like we can add a glow to this one and a flicker as well. And all these effects stack. So you can get some really cool effects going on. And for this one, let's add an RGB. And then here at the end, let's make this one pink and this one red. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you did, please let me know in the comments down below. Click that like button and I'll see you next time.